Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it is possible because you are broke? In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to Japan for free. And if this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Mason, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. So if you're new here, I want to know you. What is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Please let me know in the comments. And to all my returning subscribers, to all of you that come back to watch my videos, I want to say big thank you. I want to say massive thank you to you guys. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for always sharing me out. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and I'm also a fashion designer. And in case you're wondering, what is this? Yeah, that's my mannequin. Yes, I'm a fashion designer, and on this channel I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yes, and that is about it. On this channel, it's all about helping you become the best version of yourself. I'm always researching, like every single day I'm researching what's the next scholarship that is available, what is the next opportunity, and all of the good stuff. Because yes, I'm rooting for you and I'm working hard for you guys day and night, so I've got you guys covered, so you have nothing to worry about. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of the MEX Scholarship? Yes, in Japan, MEXT. It's an opportunity to study in Japan on a fully funded MEX Scholarship. So guys, do you want to explore Japanese culture, innovation, and excellence? Completely funded. Then meet the MEX Scholarship, MEXT Scholarship. It is Japan's leading scholarship for international students at all levels. It is also offered by Japan's Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science, and Technology. Guys, MEXT scholarships support undergraduates, master's, and PhD students in Japan. They help to promote long-term academic and cultural exchange. Guys, the MEX scholarship includes monthly stipend. Yes, they pay you 143,000 yuan for undergrad and 146,000 yuan for graduate students. You get full university tuition, you get full round trip. Yes, airfare. They pay for your flight to and fro Japan. And guys, Japanese language training for undergraduate students. Yes, it's a complete package to study, to live, and to explore at zero cost. So I've always told you, you want to travel abroad, you are broke, you have no problem. It is very possible for you to be eligible. Here are the deeds that you need to know, or things that you need to have. You must be a citizen of a MEX partner country, and you must be under 35 for undergraduates and masters, under 40 for doctoral applications. Yes, I must meet the GPA requirements and health standards if you're not already receiving MEX funding. And here is how to apply. First, you need to choose your applications through the Japanese embassy or designated university. Then go ahead and prepare all your documents, including your academic transcripts and study plan. Then learn Japanese or express why you are ready to learn. Then contact your embassy early because applications windows vary every year. They vary yearly. So guys, MEXT scholarships open doors to world-class campuses and Japanese culture. And it just feels like your own next big step. If you really want to take that bold step, click on the like button and share this video with your friends. All the official links will be in my description for the MEXT scholarship. I'm also going to share with you in my next video how you can travel to China for free and how the Chinese government is also funding. They have a scholarship for you guys. So make sure that you tune into this channel, like tune in here every single day, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time that I upload or I publish a new video. I'm constantly researching all of these scholarship opportunities for you guys. And just so you know, I found another opportunity in the UK where you can travel without using the study route. You can travel without using the study route and you can integrate into the system and you have a pathway of becoming a British citizen. And I'm going to be sharing that as well. If you want me to drop the video in my next upload, let me know. Just type publish. When are you publishing the UK opportunity? Because it's not school, it's not a school route, it is another opportunity. I can't wait to like spill the tea because I'm super excited. Anytime I find opportunities like this, I always jump like I'm the one that needs it, you know. But honestly, I'm rooting for you guys and I really want to see more people win scholarship from this channel. I want you to tune into this channel and I want this channel to be a blessing to you. And also I want you to share this video with your friends as well. There are lots and lots of opportunities out there, but a lot of people don't know what to search for. They don't know who is offering scholarships, which organization, what is their name. How, before you even do the research, you need to know at least who is sponsoring, who is in charge of this, who is in care of all of these scholarship opportunities. Guys, I'm also going to be sharing with you some tips for a strong application, first thing you need to do, get your recommendation letters, get it ready early, then craft a strong study plan or a research proposal, and then try to connect with supervisors. If you're applying for masters or PhD, please track each university's deadline. If you're applying to multiple schools, always apply to multiple schools. This is your sign to go for it. Go ahead, go after the schools of your choice. Even if you think that you don't qualify, go for your goals. Make sure that you dream big. It costs no dime to dream big. Just remember to work hard, work towards it. I mean, watching this video, I always say this, watching this video does not translate to applying. If you watch this video, they still don't know that you're interested until you apply. So please, I'll implore that you please go ahead and apply for all of these opportunities I've been sharing with you guys on this channel. Apply for them, and yes, you're on your way to the country of your choice, free of charge. There are lots and lots of opportunities, lots of benefits of traveling abroad and getting an international degree, maybe studying here in US or the UK or even in Asia. Guys, you get exposed to lots and lots of you get exposed to a lot of network opportunities. You get a lot of exclusive events. You get invited to exclusive events just because you are part of this university community and you're also an alumni. You can also tap into the alumni networks because majority of the schools abroad have very strong alumni networks and they are always giving back. They have a way of giving back to the school, to the community, and also assisting current and recent graduates, and even future graduates of the school. They want to hire more of those people in their workplace, and they also provide mentorship and a whole lot more. And you also get long-lasting friendships and network opportunities, connections that last for a lifetime. So yes, these and so many more, these are reasons why you should actually consider studying abroad or traveling abroad, in my own opinion. And please feel free to apply to all of the schools that I share with you on this channel. Even if the deadline has passed, I've seen situations where people applied even after the deadline, as long as the portal is still receiving applications, and those students were selected for scholarships. They're currently studying. So yes, take that leap of faith today, apply for these opportunities, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend that Mariah is here sharing valuable resources on this channel. Till I see you guys in my next video, take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you. Bye guys.